Group of 200 adults were asked which type of magazines they read. Their replies are 82 read sports, 80 read garden, 84 read fashion, 36 read sports magazines and read garden, 61 read sports magazines and read fashion, 25 read garden magazines and read fashion, 14 read sports magazines and read garden magazines and read fashion magazines. Complete the Venn diagram to show this information. Right. It's not, when it says 82 read sports magazines, you've got to think 82 is that entire circle. So that includes sports and garden, includes all of them, and includes sports and fashion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work backwards. One it says 14 read sports magazines and read garden magazines and fashion. That's going to go here. So when it says 25 read garden and read fashion, this 25 includes this 14. So that's really 25 minus 14. I'm doing my calculator for this. 25 minus 14. So that means 11 goes here. Okay, so that's done, that's done. 31 read sports magazines and fashion. So it's this one here. So that's 31. So it's 31 minus 14, which is 17. Cross that off because I've done it. 36 read sports and read gardens, which is this. So it's 36 minus 14, which is 22. Now, 84 read fashion magazines, so it's 84. That's not going to put that, I want to put it there because that'd be incorrect. 84 includes all these three. So I'm going to do 84 minus 11 minus 14 minus 17, which means this is 42. 80 read garden, so it's 80 includes all of them, so it's 18 minus 22 minus 14 minus 11, which means it's 33. And cross it off. 82 read sports magazines, so it's 82, and I've got to minus these three again. 22 minus 14 minus 17, which means this is 29. Okay. Now you might think that all of this is completed, but if you notice I cross this bit out because this is incorrect. We have to fill out the back bit, because this is a bit with somebody who reads none of these magazines. Now we know it's out of 200, so we'll do 200 minus every single one of these numbers. Okay, so it's going to be 200 minus 33 minus 22 minus 29 minus 17 minus 14 minus 11 minus 42, and outside should be 32. Okay. It's quite simple to forget this, so please remember to put the last one in. The next question. One of the adults is asked to be chosen at random. Find the probability this adult reads none of these magazine types. Well, because there's 200, we know it's going to be out of 200. None of these is 32, so it's going to be 32 out of 100. Now it doesn't say put it in the simplest form, it doesn't say give it as a decimal, so we can leave it as that. But I'm going to use my calculator just to cancel it down, just to be posh. Does it 4 over 25. It's not asking you to do this, but just do it anyway. If you want it as a decimal, it's 0.16 or 16%. Any one of these answers is correct. It's not that you have to put them all down, just any one will find. So work out the probability that he reads exactly 2 types of magazine. So if you think of people who read exactly 2 types, it's this one, and that one. Now you might think about the one in the middle. That's not exactly 2 types. Yeah, that'd be 3 types. If you said 2 types or more, we'd include it, but it doesn't, so we don't. So it's going to be 17 plus 11 plus 22. Okay, and it's 50. Again, it's 50 out of 200. Same rules apply. I don't need to cancel it down because the question doesn't ask me to, but if you want it to be push, you can. 50 out of 200, which is a quarter. Press S to D, and it tells me 0.25 or 25%. Again, any one of these answers is acceptable.